Hey everyone, Danny here, Red Sand Adventures. Just thought I would give a little update. Haven't been doing many videos lately. Fishing season has been going for a while now, but we honestly haven't been doing a whole lot. But yeah, we're just out checking out some spots and thought I'd show you the mess of trees and everything after Fiona last fall we had here in Prince Edward Island. And yeah, it's just crazy trails. So yeah, thought I'd take us for a little walk through the trail we're on right now and show you around here. Just trees down everywhere, uprooted. There's the water we're following. We're looking for a hole, but just crazy. Anyway, yeah, we haven't really done any videos this season, really. We did there, I think, at the start, and haven't really done anything with the truck camper setup. Probably gonna do another updated video on that. I actually got rid of the topper that I had, but I have a new plan. Thinking on maybe. All right, so just had a little crash there, as you probably realized in the video. Walk in, there's a little man-made bridge here going over a little part of the creek or whatever. And yeah, I broke the little bridge. Phone went in the water completely, but still working, so that's a good thing. I'll just kind of show you what happened here and what I broke. Alright, so here's where I crossed. As I was making the video, I forget what I was talking about. Yeah, phone landed in the water. I'm okay. Bridge isn't. Alright, so that was fun. Here's some more trees that are down. Alright, let's carry on. Hopefully we don't crash anymore. Alright, here's another tree down. Yeah, so Gage got a good laugh out of that anyway. I guess I kinda did. I'm just happy my phone's still working. Yeah, this is just crazy how many trees are down. Someone's doing a good job of clearing the path though. Where was I before I crashed through the bridge there? I think I was talking about my truck topper. So yeah, I actually got rid of the topper that I had. I got a new plan. I think I'm gonna actually do something different, but that'll be another video. Maybe I'll go over all that. But we do plan on getting out in it here eventually. Just, yeah, ideas change. So, yeah. Anyway, just thought I'd show you all these trees down everywhere. Looks like someone found some old cans when they were cleaning the trail, I guess. We were actually fishing here yesterday. Gage got a couple of nice fish. One was around 16 or 17 inches. A couple other ones probably around, I don't know, 11, 12 inches. I didn't have a video going for it. I might be able to, I have a couple pictures, maybe I'll throw them in with the video so you guys can see. Tired here, some of this trail, you can't even see where it is. Just a mess of trees. It goes this way. I think it's the watershed group that's clearing the trees maybe. I'm not 100% sure, but this is just one trail. I can't imagine the rest of Prince Edward Island and all the trails around. Yeah. Oh. Okay, just stopped here. He's going to try a little spot here. So this trail, we've never walked down it as far as we did today, so we wanted to see if there's any more holes down there, but didn't find many. There's a little one here, so Kate's just giving it a quick try. We did realize this creek actually runs to another really good fishing spot that we love. It's quite a ways away, but if you follow it, I think this trail actually goes to that spot. We never take this trail, we take another way. And we were actually looking at it at the start of the season, but we just couldn't get into it the way we normally go. So now that we're seeing lots of work being done on these trails, I think we're going to check it out. Maybe the trail to the spot we like to go is opened up now, so maybe we'll check that out tomorrow or something. There's a pile of trees over there. Just crazy. Mud hole here. I don't want to lose my phone in that. Oh, under a tree. Oh, frig. What size is this? Still with me back there, Gage? Oh, frig. Fall on my face again here soon, I think. Wanna try this spot? Keep going. Yeah, we're gonna head back up to where we were yesterday. I'm sure he'll catch something there. Hopefully they're as nice as they were yesterday. So I'm just gonna take a pause the video here for a sec and we'll come back in a minute. What do we got here? Another bridge to cross. This one looks a little better. See if I can make it. We made it. Alright. Just gonna try another spot here. Got a couple in this spot yesterday. Kate's gonna try another spot here. Actually did catch some here yesterday. We're still on the same trail. It's just closer back to where we park. We had a little one there, but it got off. That's crazy how many trees are down. Alright, we made it back up to basically the road where the trail starts. Figure we'd try here for a few minutes. Just starting to rain a little bit. Getting hungry, so we're probably going to take off here soon, but I'm going to turn the camera off, fish here for a little while, and head her home shortly. But catch anything, I'll throw some pictures up in the video there, and you'll be able to see how we did. Stay tuned for the next video. Like and subscribe, truly appreciate it.